Hello, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be updating you on what you have been expecting, and that is how to grow your YouTube channel. How do I grow my YouTube channel? You need to know. You need to just what you just need to do is just okay. Welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the right keywords for your video, and it's going to grow your video audience. You can see on the screen. You can see Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a website where you can use to search for the keywords. I mean, the kind of things you do. You might be into cooking, into art, music, whatever you're doing. You can see the right keywords there. So, as you can, if you can scroll down, you see some keywords where you can search for, the kind of keywords that is good for. Like now, you see this one is short. You can see thousands of keywords that will help your channel to grow. Once you come to this empty space, let's scroll up. Okay, you can see this place I see in chocolate. You just put your arrow there, search for what you want. As many as once you search for it, it's going to come up. Once it come up, you can decide to copy it and save it anywhere. You can even save it. Do you understand? So what you just do is once you copy it, you can apply it to all your videos. Like now, if you are into dancing, you click on it, dance, music, whatever you are doing, it will help your channel. Do you understand? You might not see that massive result, but you're going to see that people are viewing it because once people are searching, your are going to be part of it. Do you understand? See that there are lots of ways to grow your channel, and I'm going to be this one. I'm just showing you, like just part of it. Do you understand? I'm going to be updating you more on the things you need to do, the ways to do the content you need to post. See, the truth is, if you're not doing some things in the right way, it's going to be frustrating that you are uploading content, there is no view, no one to view it, no subscribers. You just give up. Like seriously, I have so many people that they're just tired because you upload videos for years, no even sign of view. Imagine that. So if you actually want to grow your channel, there's some things you need to put in consideration. So this keyword is very important. You won't understand until when you start using it, you will understand what I'm saying. So once you want to upload your videos, you use the keyword. Okay, let me go to let me go to what's it called? Let me go to YouTube so that you will see the keywords I'm trying to say. Like now, if people are searching, like now, someone is searching for what's it called? Someone is searching for how to make money online, whatever. So many stuff. So if like now, what I mean by this keyword are how to okay, how now okay, how to how to make money. Are you saying it? How to make money? Okay, how to make Gmail account without this thing. So many stuffs like that. So once you know how to see, these are the keywords I'm talking about. Once you did not apply all these keywords to your video, I'm telling you, your video is not going anywhere. Let's just put about the kind of videos you upload, the kind of this thing you upload. Once now you you didn't put all these kind of keywords. I didn't mean in front of your videos. I mean once you're uploading, there's a place where you see tag. That is where you put all these hashtags. Because once people are searching for videos and you didn't include some hashtags that will enable viewers to get across your video is not going anywhere. That's the truth. Because I see a lot of people different kind of topic, whatever. But the truth is, if you don't use the right tag for your video, you will just see that your video is very nice, the sign is okay, everything is okay, and it's not even good. How many views does it have? So that's just the truth. So you just need to use the right keywords. Once you use the right keyword, you're going to see improvement. Do you understand? It's good once people are searching for those keywords, your own is going to be part of it. Do you understand? See, there are other things you need to consider once you want your channel to grow. Do you understand? But in this video, I just want to tell you the website where you can, search for keywords, the right keywords. Do you understand? Because that is very important. Apart from you talking about videos, sounds, wherever, this keyword is very, very important. So you can see some keywords right there. How to, make money on YouTube, how to make YouTube channel, so many. Do you understand? So these are what will connect you to the audience. You understand? So if now there's so many people that are very lazy in uploading videos. They are very, very lazy. They don't even care. I just upload it, put title, that's all. But the channel is not going anywhere. The video, sorry, is not going anywhere. Your channel is not going anywhere because you have a very nice video, but you're not applying the rules. Okay, let's just put it is the rules in YouTube. Do you understand? So that's why you see, once you are uploading, you are seeing the options, you're seeing everything what you need to put there. You can even check it. Okay, let's say now I'm uploading video now. You see some options where, because I'm not really even take my time to do some things on my channel, but you can see there's some keywords you need to use. Let me show you this instant. There are some keywords that you need to use on your channel, even settings. I'm going to be showing you more on settings. Do you understand? I'm going to show you. So I just want to just see something. There's something I want you to see. So that's why I'm trying to show you this. Yeah, I'm trying to show you something. Okay, edit. So okay, what I want to show you is this, because there's this recent video I just did. The keywords, I want you to see the keywords. I've not really taken my time to do some things on it, but I want you to see what I'm talking about, because some people won't understand what I'm trying to say. Do you understand? So what I mean by keywords is this. Okay, let me go down so that I can show you what I mean by keywords, because some people will be thinking, what is he saying? What is she saying? I don't even understand. Because once you're uploading, there's some things you need to, consider. Okay, now you can see the keywords I'm talking about. This is what I mean by keyword. Once your video does not have this, you can see the limit. Once you reach 500 words, is not going anywhere. Do you understand? So once you are able to get the right and the best keywords for your video, forget. See, the truth is the video you upload important, yeah. The sound, everything that important. But once you know how to get the right keywords, forget, your video is moving. Do you understand? So these are the keywords. This is what I mean by keywords. Apart from some hashtag you put at your video, that's fine, that's okay. So if you don't have these keywords, if you just, because I've seen many people, they'll just do sharp sharp uploading, that's all. No stress, they don't want to stress themselves. But this thing is something you need to take your time. Sometimes it take more than 1 day to upload because of network or so many stuff. So once you know how to do this, put it there, and just as your video is going viral. That is it. Because sometimes you look at some people videos, it's not because of maybe it's fine or anything, because of the way, because of the setting they did. Do you understand? Once you did not do the right setting, forget, your video is not going anywhere. So that's why I see, just browse your this thing, go to your Chrome, whatever you are using, search for any keywords you want to use. You understand? If you're into art, if you're into whatsoever you're into, I don't want to talk much, but I hope you guys have understand where I'm heading to. So now, in my next video, I'm going to be updating you guys on more on how to, get some things done on your channel. And if you have any questions or anything you want me to talk about, just say it, comment, or you can chat me up. I'm always available so that I can update you guys on things that you need to know, because you need to make money on this YouTube. And how can you make money on this YouTube? You need so many things to be done, because there's so many people that say, I want to grow my channel naturally, I want to do this, and you're not doing the things that you need to do. You need to do the necessary things so that your audience, you can attract them. So that's just it. So I'm going to be leaving you guys for now, and I'll be getting back with an interesting videos, like interesting one. So if you really want to know more, you know what to do now. If you want to be seeing my updates, just kindly click on that button and share. So I'll I'll leave you guys for now, and I still remain your one and only there be one the media. So you guys should take care and have a lovely day. Love you guys. Bye.